Hi, Ate Connie. Ang sarap ng ano nila, oh, hotdog, oh. Yan, oh, yung mga chef dito sa kitchen, ang sarap. Hi, Ate Norma. See, oh. Ang ano niya. Tigasin, oh. Oh, saan yung muscle sis?
He had an 11-foot alligator named Albert. I mean, if you have an alligator, why wouldn't you name him Albert, right? Removed from the Buffalo area home earlier this year, and state wildlife officials say that his license to keep Albert had expired and would not be renewed. Now the guy is suing, claiming that he has cared for Albert for 30 years. His license should be reinstated, and claiming that Albert is a gentle giant and really considers him an emotional support animal. You've had the alligator for, 30 years. Goodness. But then again, an 11-foot alligator, how do you house that? Even the neighbors there were saying,
Dayalma. Hi, Matt.
My wife is Filipino, and my name is Filipino.
Hey, Inday. Ayan. Si mga magaganda at gwapo dyan. Saan si Reyna, girl? Pamugas na eh. Pamugas. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, everyone.
Wow.
Oh, I can't turn.
New York, a lot of people have been in New York.
Si ate.
Ay, mali ko.
Oh, yan. Oh. Hello.
Mga bosang.
Mosang, makakain muna daw. Hindi kami magpalit na kain.
Tito Mirna is looking for you. May you kindly reach Tito Mirna at the back end where the picnic